Tired of your friends knowing the exact moment you silently read their messages? Today I'm going to show you how to finally take back control of your iMessage read receipts and boost your iPhone privacy. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Messages, and then gently tap it to open up its settings. Inside the Messages settings, look for the option labeled Send Read Receipts. You will find this feature towards the middle region of your screen. Currently, the toggle switch next to Send Read Receipts is likely enabled. As denoted by its green color, this means your iPhone is currently sending read receipts. To disable this tracking, simply tap on the toggle switch when disabled. The switch will turn gray. This signifies that you've successfully disabled read receipts. Now, when someone sends you a message and you read it, they won't receive that annoying read notification. Maintaining increased privacy with your iMessage conversations, you can always re-enable this feature by following these same steps and reactivating the toggle. That's it, quick, easy. And now you're in control.